drive cause I might read cause I just pulled the photo. If we get into it, I'm fucked the object going for my bro. My judge keep asking about this.
He say, oh my God, nigga. He said, baby, you gotta drive cause I might wreck cause I just pulled the phone. If I die, don't go fuck the ops. Go ahead and fuck my bro. Nigga, he say, don't go fuck the ops. Go ahead and fuck my bro. Like, that's real. She shouldn't do either or, but that's a real nigga statement, folks. That is a real nigga statement. Go back. You know my facts, your biggest fear. You telling lies, we just made it clear. Shorty, hey, Pooh Shiesty, you need to say something. You need to make something clear. Nah, don't say nothing, cause you already fighting the case, folks. You already on some other ish. Ooh, he say, and we don't say brr. This nigga not playing. Pooh Shiesty, these niggas not playing, boy. They're not playing. They at your neck. What you do? What you do? Why you lie? If you lie, just say that.
Hell no. Oh, photo, that shit is so fucking funny, bro.
Pooh Shiesty, that's my dog. Well, Pooh, what's up? Is you really Shiesty? What's the word, gang? What's the word? La. We on the graph, but we on the road to 3K. I think we had like 2,800. I can push me to that 3K. Come on, give me to that 3K. Now, what we finna react to is this man EBG Ejizzle. You know, Pooh Shiesty them ops. Yeah. What up? We can stop calling them Pooh Shiesty them ops now, cause he be getting 100K ad video within one day on bro. So we can stop calling him Pooh Shiesty ops. He really a rapper. Folks really rap now. But we finna react to this Moose Line times EBG Ejizzle. Make it clear. This was the most requested video. Y'all even went in all my old videos and requested that I react to this song. So we finna get into it. Y'all go follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram so y'all can know what's the word for, like, interact with me. I be trying to interact with the fans. I be trying to talk with the fans, dealing with the fans and shit. But all y'all don't follow me on IG. Y'all be DMing me. Y'all do be DMing me. I be trying to respond. I ain't gonna say it be a lot, but I don't got my notifications on for no social media. And I don't really be too crazy about it. So when I see it, I see it. If I don't, I don't. But I'm gonna try to see it. I be trying to get back to everybody. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, go follow me on Instagram at No Limit Carol. That's No Limit with 2 T's. Follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Twitter at No Limit Carol. No Limit with 2 T's. Sure, let's get into the video, folks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to get me to this 3K real quick. That Hellcat, that look like a, what's it called? Is that how it is, or is the paint scratching off? Oh, I'm not tweaking. That's probably how it is. I got one contact in. Okay, that's how that Hellcat is. That's ugly. I ain't gonna fly. That motherfucker fugazi. Look at that. Hell no.
Heard some niggas after me, niggas just be too rough for me. Got here with it 223, shoulda just stayed an athlete.
Ooh, hold on, go back. Okay, cause he's speaking, he talking. Go back.
Got here with it 223, shoulda just stayed an athlete. Nigga know what's up with me on the.
Oh my mama, he say he got hit with this 223. He should have just stayed an athlete. Oh my mama, it be after high school, it be like all the hoopers, all the athletes. Them be the ones that be gang banging with the belt. Like, you get what I'm saying? It don't be the nigga that be gang banging while they hooping. It be the nigga that used to be ball his life. Now they guns and pipes. You get what I'm saying, bro? Oh, bro, but you should have stayed an athlete. He said before I go hop out on. He said before I go hop on the beat, grab the Drake, hop out on feet. Go back one more time. He say before I hop on the beat, grab the Drake, I hop on feet. Okay, that's.
You gotta drive cause I might read cause I just pulled the photo. If we get into it, I'm fucked the object going for my bro. My judge keep asking about this.
He say, oh my God, nigga. He say he told He said, baby, you gotta drive cause I might wreck cause I just pulled the foe. If I die, don't go fuck the ops. Go ahead and fuck my bro. Nigga, he say, don't go fuck the ops. Go ahead and fuck my bro. Like, that's real. She shouldn't do either or, but that's a real nigga statement, folks. I'm finna text the bitch that, baby, if we get to it, don't fuck the ops, just fuck my bros. Bro, like, never.
You gotta die this shit for bro. Can't be for no right niggas, y'all sign deal, we catch and kill. Nigga rap the life we live.
I ain't never heard, I ain't never heard folks rap. No, I did hear folks rap. The last time we heard Muslim rap was, that Back in Blood dish, folks. Comment down below if you listen to Muslim. Or do Muslim even make songs, folks? Comment down below, let me know.
Can't be for no right niggas, y'all sign deal, we catch and kill. Nigga rap the life we live, say what I said, fuck how you feelin'. No, we never.
Oh, you hear him? You know who he talking about. He say, can't beef with no rap niggas. Y'all sign the deal, we catch kills. Okay, you know who he talking about. I know who he talking about. We here. Hopefully we here.
Knew this shit would run up a million, you making calls and shedding tears. On my face so big you feel it, you tellin' lies, we just made it clear. No, I'm not a rapper, I'm a
okay, cause he really going that Pooh Shiesty head. He say you tell them lies, we just made it clear. He really going that folks' head, so we gotta listen. It's hard to listen to folks. That's why I replayed them. Hold on, just listen.
Knew this shit would run up a million, you making calls and shedding tears.
Oh, he said you knew this. He said you knew this shit will run up a meal. You making calls and shedding tears. Ooh.
So big you feel it, you tellin' lies.
Go back, cause he's spazzing now.
Knew this shit would run up a million, you making calls and shedding tears. On my face so big you feel it, you tellin' lies, we just made it clear. No.
Nigga, he say you knew this shit will run up a meal. You making calls, you shedding tears. The facts is, he said, my facts is your biggest fear. Go. You know my facts your biggest fear. You telling lies, we just made it clear. Shorty, hey, Pooh Shiesty, you need to say something. You need to make something clear. Nah, don't say nothing, cause you already fighting the case, folks. You already on some other ish. Okay, Muslim just went cool. I had to replay and peek what he was saying. Ooh. He said, and we don't say brr. This nigga not playing. Push out, you nigga not playing, boy. They're not playing, they at your neck. What you do? Why you lie? If you lie, just say that. Pooh Shiesty, that's my dog. Well, Pooh, what's up? Is you really Shiesty?